Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today we are cooking beef tips with gravy. Super easy, super delicious recipe. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here I have my beef meat. I'm just going to season it and give it a good mix. Alright, next I'm going to add in a tablespoon of butter to my pot. I'm going to saute the onions and bell peppers for about 5 minutes on medium heat. And once done, I'm going to remove them and set them aside. Next, I'm going to add in the meat and I'm going to brown this on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so you want to make sure to stir frequently because you want the meat to be browned on all sides before you add in the garlic, your sauteed onions and bell peppers. Next, I'm going to be adding in some tomato paste, tomato sauce, as well as some cream of mushroom soup. Next, I'm going to add in a decent amount of water because I do want this meat to be really tender. Then I'm going to cover and cook on medium to high heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, so it is all done and this is what it's looking like. I paired it with rice with a side of cabbage and it was so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.